Hi, my name is Ashrawi bin AZIZI. Okay, today I would like to present lab experiment 5. Okay, the title for this lab experiment is 7 segment display. This experiment is an easy to handle and very straightforward experiment. Okay, the objective for this experiment is to convert binary coded decimal to numerical display. Okay, next slide. This is the equipment and list of equipment and component that involved in this experiment. Firstly, we use IC7447, and then we use common anode 7 segment display, 7 LED, breadboard, 5 volt battery, 150 ohm resistor, 7 3300 ohm resistor, 7 switch, and lastly we use wire. Okay, next we move to the procedure. Okay, firstly what we do, the anode of the 7 segment display connect to a battery, and then the input pin of the 7 segment display must be connected via 150 ohm resistor as shown in figure 1. Okay, thirdly, the circuit is constructed as shown in figure 2 by using 7447 ATTL decoder. Okay, and then the LEDs connected to each of the outputs, LT, BI, and RBI, was set up appropriately. Input A, B, C, D played to activate the LEDs. The truth table also was constructed to record the data. The LEDs replaced with a 7 segment display as shown in figure 3. Okay, second last, input A, B, C, D control the display. Lastly, all the data was recorded and the truth table construct to explain the effect of input 7447 ATTL to 7 segment display. Okay, next slide is the data we get from the simulations. We record the display for 1, 8 and 9 7 segment. Okay, next is questions. First question is why we need the resistor in 7 segment display. Okay, the answer is the resistor employed in the 7 segment display serve as a driving component in restricting or controlling the current flow in a circuit. It aids in preventing the high current that may lead to become damaged. Okay, second question is explain how the 7447 ATTL makes us easier to display decimal number at 7 segment display. Okay, the answer is the 4-bit BCD input used by the 7447 ATTL decoder, which represent DC, BA, SA, 8, 4, 2 and 1, will be used to display the decimal number. For instance, the BCD input 000 must be set to low if you wish to eliminate the decimal number 0 on a 7 segment display. This is due to the fact that when the 7447A is turned on, the output high and then decrease to low. Okay, for the last question from the lab report, can a common cathode 7 segment display be used together with the 7447A? Okay, and we need to draw the circuit. Okay, the answer is it is indeed feasible. One approach would be to utilize 1 PNP transistor and 2 additional resistor in addition to the typical segment resistor. Due to its ability to eliminate both common anode display and common cathode display, the 7447A on a 7 segment display makes it easier to display decimal number. Okay, next slide is discussion and conclusions. Okay, converting binary coded decimal to numerical display is determined As a result, we can conclude that the experiment was successful since they follow all the theory for the 7-segment display from the result in the truth table of the 3 circuit of the 7-segment display. Lastly, there are many sources of error that we can obtain and identify from these simulations. Firstly, it may cause from systematic error or random error that can lead to different reading of data. Next, the connections should be verified before running the simulations. For example, we should double check open and close switches before taking the data in order to get an accurate and precise result. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for lending me your ears until we meet again. Okay, thank you.